Fumbling with lighter fluid, dealing with a mountain of heavy charcoal that takes half an hour to heat up, or running out of propane right in the middle of cooking a meal is an absolute nightmare that completely sours your backyard cookouts. Traditional grills trap you outside babysitting a flare-up or leave your food tasting like chemical fumes rather than rich, authentic barbecue. The Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker, OG321, completely rescues you from outdoor cooking frustrations, functioning as a high-velocity, multi-configurable culinary workstation engineered to deliver master-level woodfire flavors with a simple push of a button. Don't let its highly portable, weather-resistant footprint fool you. This dark gray powerhouse packs a heavy-duty electric heating engine that creates a scorching hot, direct-flame grill surface for perfect steakhouse sear marks. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its revolutionary Woodfire technology system. Instead of using pellets as fuel to cook your food, this grill uses 100% real hardwood pellets solely for flavor. It burns a tiny, concentrated scoop of pellets in an integrated side smoke box while a high-velocity convection fan circulates that rich aroma around your food. This means you get the deep, authentic bark of a slow and low wood smoker in a fraction of the time, all while powered by a standard, hassle-free electric wall outlet. Engineered to fit seamlessly into a fast-paced outdoor lifestyle, this versatile machine boasts a 6-in-1 functionality matrix. With a quick turn of the dial, you can instantly transition from a heavy-duty grill or dedicated barbecue smoker to an outdoor air fryer, roaster, baker, or broiler. You can easily air fry crispy, wood-infused chicken wings or roast a whole prime rib with a subtle touch of hickory flavor right on your patio, balcony, or campsite. Complete with non-stick, easy-to-clean dishwasher-safe grates, a built-in grease collector, and specialized pellet blends, it is the ultimate, stress-free luxury upgrade for backyard entertainers, campers, and foodies who demand uncompromised, competition-grade barbecue flavor with absolute electric convenience. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are deploying this Ninja Woodfire grill for quick backyard weeknight dinners or taking it on your next weekend camping trip. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more outdoor cooking gear, smart kitchen appliances, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.